I'm totally done with this poetry thing.
Amaziyah the Great came to America from Jamaica to better his life. On his poetic voyage, he found Sarah. She never loved him, only wanted his money.
Honey, did you send the money?
She was also involved with other men. It was believed that one of Sarah's jealous boyfriends attacked Amaziyah the Great while he went for a walk in the park, beating him almost dead.
Answer your phone!
Wise Warrior, a drummer in the hills, found him and gave him herbal medicine until he was well. Amaziyah thought about forgetting about doing poetry.
I'm totally done with this poetry thing.
Till he was approached one day by a small boy, Malachi, who told him he was his biggest fan.
I watch you on social media and I
but
follow
the poet denied his
all of
identity.
your live performances, and I can't wait to buy your book, Don't Cry.
Talking to the wrong guy. I don't know who's Amaziyah.
Amaziyah further went for therapy, where he spoke with Panda. She listened to his poems and then recommended that he connect with planner Trish Gophers, whose mom operates a popular poetry event in Rhode Island called Pawtucket Poetry. Amaziyah the Great later found back his courage to resume his poetic journey and continue to inspire Malachi and other people worldwide. The Jamaican poet, written and directed by Craig A. Kirkland, a.k.a. Amaziyah the Great.